Imagine capturing every fleeting moment with jaw-dropping clarity, vibrant colors, and cinematic precision. Whether you're chasing epic adventures, crafting professional-grade films, or simply freezing life's everyday magic. In 2025, Sony's mirrorless cameras redefine what's possible, blending groundbreaking autofocus, unrivaled image quality, and hybrid versatility that empower creators at every level. From compact powerhouses for vloggers to pro-level beasts for studio work, this guide unveils the best Sony cameras of 2025. Be sure to check out the links we've included. They'll take you straight to the latest discounts for every product we discuss in this video. Don't miss out on the best deals. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 3. Sony A7R V. The Sony A7R V, with its 61-megapixel full-frame sensor, is a powerhouse for landscape and studio photographers, but it's a baffling choice for hunters. Its high resolution delivers stunning detail, ideal for large prints or heavy cropping. But that's overkill for capturing wildlife in rugged conditions. The camera's 10 fps burst rate is decent, but lags behind competitors like the Canon R5 or Nikon Z8, which offer faster speeds for tracking erratic game. Its 693 phase detection AF points, enhanced by an AI processing unit, excel at subject recognition humans, animals, even insects, yet the system can struggle with fast-moving subjects in low light, common in dawn or dusk hunts. The A7R V's 8K video with a 1.2x crop is impressive for filmmakers, but hunters rarely need such resolution, and the crop reduces field of view, critical for spotting distant targets. The 4-axis multi-angle LCD and 9.44 million EVF are top tier for composing shots, but the camera's bulk, 723 grams, and complex menu system slow down quick adjustments in the field. Battery life, 530 shots, is adequate but pales compared to the A1 II's 670 shots, a liability on long hunts. The lack of a low-pass filter boosts sharpness but risks moire on patterned fur or feathers, annoying for post-processing. Priced at around $3,900, it's a premium tool for controlled environments, not the chaotic, fast-paced demands of hunting. Its weather sealing is robust, but the delicate, articulated screen feels vulnerable in harsh terrain. For hunters, the A7R V's resolution and features are a mismatch, like bringing a scalpel to a sword fight. You're paying for studio-grade tech that's impractical for the field, where speed, simplicity, and low-light performance reign supreme. Number 2. Sony A1 II. The Sony A1 II, Sony's flagship mirrorless camera released in November 2024, boasts a 50.1-megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor and blistering 30 frames per second burst shooting, but it's a baffling pick for hunters. Its speed and 759 AF points with 92% coverage make it a beast for sports or wildlife, locking onto subjects like birds in flight with uncanny precision. The dual Bionza XR engine and improved AI enhance low-light performance, ISO 100 to 32,000, expandable to 102,400, crucial for twilight hunts. Yet its $6,498 price tag is astronomical, and most hunters don't need 8K 30p video or 190-megapixel shift modes, which are geared toward commercial or archival work. The 9.44 million EVF and 3-inch touchscreen are crisp, but the camera's 743-gram weight and complex ergonomics hinder quick handling in dense brush or cold weather. Battery life, 670 shots, is strong, but the A1 II's CF Express Type A card requirement inflates costs, and its 5 frames per second limit in lossless RAW slows down continuous shooting for skittish game. The stacked sensor reduces rolling shutter, great for video, but hunters rarely need this over stills. Weather sealing is top-notch, yet the camera's premium build feels like overkill for muddy, unpredictable environments where a cheaper body like the A7 IV suffices. The A1 II's video prowess, 4K 120p, 16-bit RAW output, is wasted on hunters who prioritize stills of deer or elk over cinematic reels. Its advanced features cater to pros shooting Olympics or fashion, not tracking game in the wild. Buying this for hunting is like using a Ferrari to haul firewood. Impressive, but absurdly excessive. Hunters need rugged, cost-effective gear, not a luxury camera that shines in controlled scenarios. Number 1. Sony A7 IV. The Sony A7 IV, with its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, is a versatile hybrid camera, but it's a terrible choice for hunters who value performance in the field. Priced at around $2,000, it's more affordable than the A7R V or A1 II, yet its 10 frames per second burst and 759 autofocus points with 94% coverage are outclassed by rivals like the Nikon Z6 III, which offers faster shooting and better low-light AF. The A7 IV's ISO 100 to 51,200, expandable to 204,800, handles dim conditions, but its AF can hunt in mixed lighting, like gyms or forests at dusk, frustrating for tracking fleeting wildlife. Its 4K 30p video with full-width oversampling is solid for vloggers, but the 4K 60p Super 35 crop narrows the frame. Useless for wide-angle hunting shots. The 3.68 million .EVF and vari-angle LCD are decent but dim compared to the A7RV's 9.44 million viewfinder, making it harder to spot distant game. At 658 grams, it's lighter than the A1 II, but the plasticky build feels less durable in rain or mud, despite weather sealing. Battery life, 610 shots, is average, but hunters on multi-day trips need more. The A7 IV's creative looks and updated menus are user-friendly, yet its sluggish buffer, 1,000+ compressed RAW, clears slowly with UHS-2 SD cards, delaying rapid sequences of a charging bore. For indoor sports or portraits, it's a steal, but hunting demands faster AF, tougher construction, and uncropped 4K for versatility. Choosing this camera is like picking a sedan for off-roading. It's capable in tame settings, but falters in the wild. Hunters should opt for a specialized body with superior speed and ruggedness, not a jack-of-all-trades that compromises on critical field performance.